This is Eddie from Fast Eddie's Keys Express Locksmithing, and today we have a door that's hitting the door frame because the hinges are stretched. As you can see, it doesn't want to close, and we need to torque the hinge to make sure it closes properly so they can lock it. So what we're going to use is the Hinge Doctor. I don't even know if they're made anymore. I've had this thing for 15 years. Let's try it out. It slides over the top of the top hinge, and then you slowly open the door, slowly. Don't push too hard. Just a little bit at a time. So now the door locks and shuts, and what we really need to do is put a continuous hinge on the door frame so it stays this way. It's such a large door that it sags on the hinges. It's not a great application. It needs a continuous hinge. But this is Fast Eddie from Fast Eddie's Keys Express here today, showing you what the Hinge Doctor does, and thank you for joining us. Have a good day.